Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe, like, comment, share and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next supreme content. Thank you.
Hello guys, trust you all are doing fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this particular channel, we educate people on digital skills, tech tips and how to make money online. If you are new to this channel, please go ahead and hit on the subscribe button, and if you are old to this particular channel, please give us a thumbs up by liking this video and sharing to your friends. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. My name is Supreme. All right, so we're going to come up with this particular new week flyer design. Okay, so we are having some elements over here. We are having some element that is the tropical leaves over here, the Instagram like icons, and also the subject and the background. Okay, so all these are styles that I downloaded, and I am going to leave it under the comment section. Okay, I'm going to leave all these resources pinned under the comment section. Go ahead, tap on it and use it for this particular awesome design. Okay, so without further ado, let's get straight to our Canva application and let's do the magic. This is something simple that everybody can do, and this particular tutorial is going to explain it step by step. So the Canva app is a web-based application, okay, meaning it will need internet access or internet before you can access everything. Okay, so please make sure that your internet connection is on so that you can have a very cool navigation through this particular app. So we're going to tap on this plus sign. Please, if you are new to this particular channel, help us by liking this particular tutorial and subscribing as well. You can turn on the notification bell so that anytime we drop any content, you'll be the first person to get notified. Alright, so we are going to use our dimension. So with the dimension, we come to this place and search for Insta. Once you type in Insta, you are going to have this. So you use Instagram post, that is the square. Okay, you tap on it and give it some few time for it to load. Now once it's done loading, tap on the background to select it this way. Tap on the background to select it this way. Then you come to replace. Tap on replace. Then it will bring you to your gallery. Okay, it will bring you to your gallery, but then come to upload. Okay, come to upload, then tap on uploads. After tapping on uploads, you go ahead to where you can find the image. Okay, so the image is right here, so it will be uploaded. So here is it. Then I can now select it for so this particular uploaded image will continue to be here. So for in case you need it for other projects, you just come to uploads and you just select it without going back to your phone's gallery again. Okay, so it's now perfect. Once you bring the background, you come to adjust. Okay, tap on adjust, and then you move the slider to this portion. Okay, you see I can move it to this portion. So we come to saturation and increase the saturation. So you could see that it's taking effect. So we move the saturation here. The sharpness, we increase it a bit to somewhere 20. Then clarity, we increase it a bit. Okay, 25 is okay. Now we come to temperature. Let's increase let's decrease the temperature. And then the tint, we leave the tint. We come to brightness, we decrease the brightness a bit. And then the contrast, we increase the contrast. Okay, we increase the contrast. All right, so I think this is cool for us to go. All right, so once this particular image is ready or background is ready, we tap on the plus sign again, then we come to uploads. We tap on uploads again. This time round we are going to bring in, we come to photo room. Okay, so we are bringing some elements. I don't want us to come here again, so this one we upload all. Okay, let's upload all. So few minutes, all is going to be done so that we proceed. Okay, all right, so we select this particular subject, then we bring it right here by increasing the size. Okay, all right, so after bringing the subject this way, what we are going to do is to enhance the quality of this particular image. Okay, so we come to adjust. Okay, adjust. Then the same way we come to brightness. Okay, come to brightness and decrease the brightness a bit. Then come to contrast and increase the contrast. Then we go to saturation and increase saturation. So you could see that this is different from what we had earlier. Okay, you can go ahead and add a little bit of sharpness to it. Somewhere 16 is okay. Then this is okay for us. So what we are going to do is to go ahead, tap on more, and you come to this side and tap on lock so that you lock this particular layer. Okay, all right, so the next thing we are going to do here is to now bring in the subject, the word. Okay, so we come to this side, text, add a heading, then we clear this and write July. So this is July. So July. All right, so let me increase the size this way. Let's go and change the font. So with the font, just search here Bebas. Okay, just search for Bebas. All right, so we have it right here. Okay, all these are Bebas font, so I'll choose this one. I'm kind of like that one. All right, then increase the size and position it right here. Now we come to color, and with the color we are going to use this particular color. Okay, I'm going to use this particular color over here. Let me see, let me use this, but then come to this particular place and increase it to this corner. Okay, all right, so this is okay for us. All right, so what we are going to do next is pretty simple. We make a copy of that same text, and then we come to effects. Okay, we come to effects, tap on effects, and then we move it to this side and we tap on hollow. After tapping on hollow, go ahead and tap on it again, and then the thickness we are going to reduce it drastically to somewhere 4 or even 3 is okay. Oh, come on. 2 is also. All right, so let's leave it at 2. All right, Then we go ahead and tap on color. Okay, we come to color and we change it to white. Then we can now position it on top of this one. Okay, but with the first one, let's send it to back. Okay, so you come to more, send backwards. Then you tap on this one and position it on top this way. Then we come to test again. Then this time around we are going to write happy new month. We bring it right here and reduce the size down. We're going to use the same Bebas font for that, so we come to font and then choose Bebas here. After choosing the Bebas, we come to spacing, then line spacing. Okay, let's use the letter spacing instead, so we increase it this way. Let's increase the size of the text. All right, so this is okay for us. Then we go ahead and then position it right here. Once we are through with that, we go ahead and bring in a shape. So we come here and come to elements. With the elements, we are going to select this particular square. Okay, this one here, so it's right here. If you don't see it right here, you just search for square, you are going to see it. Okay, so let's change the color to this yellow. Come here and tap on this again, and then move the yellow to this portion, and then come to transparency and reduce the transparency a bit. Okay, to somewhere 50. Let's position this one here. I think is quite cool. All right, please don't add any border weight. Don't add. I'm unable to send it to even 0. Okay, all right, so this is ready. So let's bring in the text. So with the text, I already have it here. So just reduce it and position it here. With the font, let's come to font and change it to, if you just search for Montserrat. Okay, you just search for Montserrat and you are going to have it. So we're going to use that font. Then the color, we're going to change it to white. Come to the nudge tool and nudge it a bit this way. Now that this is ready, the last thing, let's go to uploads and bring in the Montserrat leaves. I already have it here, so I'm just going to use it. So I'll rotate it this way and position it right here. Okay, so you can now even come to adjust and increase the saturation a bit this way. Then we go in there again, bring this particular image, reduce the size, and then position it here. So come to more and tap on bring forward. Okay, so that we will have something like this. And then once you are done, tap here again, go to elements and search for Instagram like or 3D like icon. So I'm having this one here. This, just tap on it and then reduce the size. Then we position it here. Alright, so this is how far we have come with this particular tutorial. It's pretty simple, just follow the steps and we are going to get here. If you are new to this particular channel, please hit on the subscribe button, and if you are old to this particular channel, like this particular video, comment and share to your friends. Once again, thanks for watching this particular tutorial. Bye for now.